Hello traders, this is a follow-up review of Forex trading using the expert advisor Algo Trading Night. The expert advisor employs stop-loss and take-profit for every trade and avoids risky mechanisms like martingale, grid, and hedging. It recommends 5 trading pairs, but you only need to run it on US dollar to Swiss franc with a 5-minute time frame. The developer conducted a backtest using 100% quality data over a 3-year period, and the results were promising. You can find the detailed backtest report here. However, testing doesn't stop at backtesting alone. A forward test is essential to confirm its real-world performance. In this review, I'll share the results of my 44-day forward test. Total profit, $9,774. Initial balance, $25,000. Drawdown 32%, indicating potential challenges for prop firms. Growth, 39%, making it a solid choice for personal accounts with smaller lot sizes to manage risks effectively. The test period ran from December 12, 2024 to January 25, 2025, with 48 total trades. It achieved a remarkable win rate of 92% and an impressive profit factor of 5, reflecting a strong risk-to-reward ratio. The average trade duration was 1 hour 55 minutes. For this analysis, I focused on euro to US dollar and pound sterling to US dollar, trading only 2 active pairs despite setting up 3. I maintained the default preset, and the results were excellent without any modifications. To maximize trading performance, ensure low spread brokers, a fast VPS with low latency. I've provided links to reliable brokers and VPS services in the video description for your convenience. Monthly performance. December profit, $2,760. January profit, $7,000. If you're interested in exploring this expert advisor further, here's the preset I used. Remember, the default settings already produce great results, but adjust lot sizes to minimize risk based on your account balance. Conclusion. After 44 days of forward testing, the Algo Trading Night EA delivered significant profits of $9,774. Although the drawdown is relatively high at 32%, it balances well with the growth achieved. For non-prop firm accounts, this EA offers excellent potential when paired with careful risk management. Thank you for watching until the end.